Good day or night, everyone. I'm going to discuss what is safety. So, what is safety? Freedom from accident, freedom from harm, injury, and loss. Accident is the result of contact of a person with a source of energy above the threshold limit of the body or structure. Hazard. So what is hazard? Anything that can cause an accident. Bisag unsa nga magka-cause og accident is considered is hazard. There are two kinds of accident. The preventable accident, a situation in which a person failed to do everything that could have been reasonably done to prevent accident. A situation nga pwede nga ma-prevent sa usa ka tawo nga dili pa ni mabuhat nga sa unahan di ay na pwede malikayan nga accident. Number 2, a situation in which the person has done everything to prevent the accident. The accident nga malikayan causes of accident, unsafe acts, and the unsafe conditions. Unsafe acts, operating equipment without authority. Number 1, failure to warn or secure, operating at improper speed, render safety devices inoperable, using defective equipment, and the unsafe conditions, inadequate guards or protection, kulang sa mga electrician's belt or protection, defective tools or equipment, overcrowding, inadequate warning system, fire and explosion. Accident prevention formula: see the hazard. You must see the hazard first before think about what is going to happen. Never assume everything will be alright. That is the number 2 consideration of see the hazard formula. Understand the defense. You must understand the first. Secondly, think of specific ways to handle the situation. Decide on the defense against it. And act on time. Never take a wait and see attitude. We must ignore this attitude firstly. Eliminate the hazard. Electrical safety. Misuse of electricity can result to personal injury or death. Number 1, electrocution. Kanang makurentihan, electric shock, electric fire, property damage, personal injury. Electricity is the cause of accident. There are direct contact, touching with energized or live parts of an electric circuit, accidental ground. The individual is in contact with the ground as he may be contact a metallic part which has become hot by being in contact with an ungrounded conductor. Example, grounded refrigerator, short circuit. The individual may come in contact with both the conductor of the circuit. Electrical fires, the property damage, overloading, convenience outlet abuse, number that is considered overloading, and authorized electrical wiring. You must seek authorized personnel in your barangays, or you must seek Sibeco station sa inyong lugar. Breaking connections. Never open knife switches if loaded. That is the one of the preventable accident na di yun nimo i-open ang mga switches if naay kurente. You must switch the breaker first, and sparks can injure the human body or set of materials on fire. Grounding. What is grounding? A conducting connection, whether intentional or accidental, between an electrical circuit or equipment and the earth, so to come conducting body in place of the earth. Why is grounding important in electrical safety? Just as water seeks its lowest level, electric current also seeks its lowest potential, that is the ground. It is important to provide a path of ground for electric current that might deviate from its safe intended path, just as drainage must be provided on building facilities to allow use of excess water to flow back to earth. We must use grounding in our charger, uh, our heater, rice cooker, etc. Personal protective equipment. The personal protective equipment is protection from direct personal injuries, protection from biological and chemical hazard, example heat, noise, toxic fumes. Personal protective equipment, the safety shoes, safety hats, electrical rubber gloves, electrician's belt, safety gloves. There are that lockout and tag out. So what is the lockout or tag out? Companies should have guidelines for lockout tag out that should be done by their authorized employees. These will be the basic step-by-step rules that should be followed to prevent the unexpected energization, startup, or release of stored energy that could cause injury to anyone working on the equipment. So what is lockout? When you're blocking the flow of energy from the power source to the equipment and keeping it blacked out, that is lockout. A lockout device is usually a key or combination lock arrangement that secures a valve or lever in the off position. Tag out. It means placing a tag on the power source to warn coworkers and others not to turn the power on. Tags don't provide the physical restraint, locks provide, but they are just as important.